birthday, Sex Bomb Iris!
Stay up all night and read alone by candlelight, that's all I own. You shut my heat and kill my phone. I'll be damned if they think I'm gone. You say this town is made of gold. You can find me down below. Wearing my dreams to the broken souls. I'll be damned if they think I'm gone.
Happy first birthday, Iris Isabella Rosas, from Lola Annie Rosas.
Matabawan ako sa inyong paningin. Opo, tama po kayo.
And nothing's gonna stop me now. Hey, hey, as long as my heart beats tonight, I will keep this dream alive.
Lucky! Happy birthday!
Beautiful life.
Payat daw ay sexy.
This is my beautiful life.
Birthday na ni Iris! Birthday ni Iris ngayon! Happy birthday to our first baby!
It chews me up and spits me out. I'll be damned if they think I'm going down. No, I'm not going down. Hey, hey, as long as my heart beats tonight, I will keep this dream alive. We're never any other way. This is my beautiful life. Yeah, this is my beautiful life. This is my beautiful life.
Happy birthday, Iris! Mwah! I love,
Love
you!
you! Kung dumating siya, parang hindi ko ma-explain yung saya eh. Kumbaga parang hindi siya matutumbasan ng iba yung saya niya.
Gonna be someone. Yeah.
Etong daddy niya iyakin tuwing may milestone si Iris. Halimbawa nakatayo, naiiyak siya.
She was mine, and then I'd be loved. See what I have done. I've been
So, nung naging baby ko si Iris, ano talaga, parang may mga nagawa ko na hindi ko alam na kaya ko pala. So, yun pala yung ano ng motherhood. Kaya sabi ko, grabe tolerance ng mga nanay. Yun pala yung pakiramdam nun. Lahat kaya mo, walang pagod, walang puyat, walang masakit. Lahat para sa baby.
somebody. Everybody wants to be someone. Everybody wants to be somebody, but I just wanna be somebody to you.
Kamusta po kayo?
Somebody to you. Somebody to you.
Ako naman, ang wish ko is lumaki lang siya talaga na mahal kaming parents niya. Parang sa akin yun na yung mababalik niya sa lahat ng sacrifices namin. So Iris, first birthday mo ngayon. So kikita mo to paglaki mo kung gaano nag-effort si mami at daddy. Si Iris talaga kasi sobra yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Wish ko na mula maliit kang wala ka pang malay hanggang sa paglaki mo, maramdaman mo kung gaano ka ka-importante sa amin ng daddy mo.
Wanna be somebody to